Hi there, here's a demo of how to register as a freelancer. I'm going to use the demo site at whitelance.co, but it's equally applicable to any Whitelance powered marketplace. So you can see I'm at the registration page here. I'm going to pop in my details. And here it's giving me an option of what type of freelancer I have. Some platforms may have this enabled, others may not. I'm going to choose I'm an independent freelancer. But if I'm actually a freelancer that sits underneath an agency, I can select agency freelancer. And then I'll need to select which agency I'm a part of. If you're an agency yourself, you can create a registration as an agency company. And then your employees or freelancers will be able to register underneath you. But for now, I'm just going to register as an independent freelancer. This means that all of the invoices and payments will go directly to myself. Here you'll pop in your normal number, so I'll just type in our Whitelance number and create your password. Check out the terms and conditions before you agree to them. Fill in the reCAPTCHA, and you're good to go. Now it's creating your profile, setting up all the systems, and you'll be directed to your profile page. My suggestion at this point is that you head over to your inbox, and you should have received an email welcoming you to the platform, and you'll need to click on a button to verify your email account. So I'm going to pause the video and head over and do that. So when I click on the link, it will take me to this page. There we go. The account has been activated. Let's go back to our profile and we can start filling it in. I've uploaded my photo here. Now I'm going to put in the various information that is required. Hourly rate, for example, and when I'm available. A quick point to note here that these various different sections may look different on your marketplace. So, for example, there may be an education section where you need to fill out various information here. And each marketplace sets its own requirements as to which inputs are required before your profile is activated. So in this case, you have to fill in an introduction, and you have to add a portfolio item. But other marketplaces may also require you to add a work experience item. There may be a references section where you need to provide information about previous jobs you've run, and so forth. So let me add a portfolio item. I've uploaded an image. I can select a skill if I want. A category, sorry. And if there is a subcategory, I can select relevant subcategories. A URL and an intro about the project. I can save it. Great. So let's refresh that page, see how it's looking. Okay, so now let's head over to look for some jobs. You can see here, you can sort jobs by different categories or subcategories. You can also search by a keyword here. You can have a look at the profile of the people who are posting a job by clicking on this button. You can apply for the job. So in this case, I've been told that my profile is unpublished. And this reminds me that in this platform, the marketplace owner has decided that to be published, the freelancer must also be approved by the marketplace itself. So I'm going to pause the video, go and approve myself, and come back. Okie dokie, I've now been approved, and I will also receive an email message when I've been approved to confirm that. So now that I've been approved, I can go ahead and apply for my first job. When you're applying for the first time, you'll also have to register as a freelancer on the payment gateway that your platform is using. In most cases, it will be Stripe. So you can go ahead and register with a Stripe account. So here I'm going to select my country, which is the UK. Start the registration process. So I'm going to select what type of person I am. Am I an individual or am I a company? My name. Birthday, just in case any of you want to send me a present. Our address. Phone number. And next page. I'll select my industry. In my case, I'll be a software freelancer. And if I don't have my own website, I'll just type in information about my service. Okay, so that's the basic information sorted. So I'll click done and go back. And Stripe is now at the point where it's got the basic information. So we're going to try again. And you'll see we need some more information now. Okay, so let's type in my bank account details that I'm going to use to receive funds. I'm going to pause here, select that I'm an individual rather than a company, and I'm going to select my currency as being pounds. And I'm going to pause and put in some testing bank details. Okie dokie. So let's add that. Maybe I need to double check those numbers. Let's try that again. Okay, that's done. Now, let's try again. Okay, so we're now waiting for our account to be verified. This may take between 30 seconds and several hours. But the tip is really just to refresh the page and try again. Because usually Stripe will now ask you for some further information that you can provide even at this stage. Okay, there we go. So we haven't fully verified yet. We need to update our account information. So let's click the button and go and add some more information. Now it's asking me to verify my ID, and then the next step will ask me to verify my address. Now in this case, normally you would click Start and you would provide certain information that's required, whether it's a passport or a driver's license and so forth. But I'm just going to use a test document for now. And then we'll go to the proof of address, and again you can use any of these different proofs of address that are permitted based on your country. But again, I'm going to use a test document. And I'm going to save that. It'll take me back to the marketplace. And at this point, Stripe has all the information it needs, and we're waiting for Stripe to verify that information. So again, I'm just going to refresh the page. And see where we're at. Okay, so it's letting me in. So at this point, I'm going to apply for my first job. But what this means, if I've got to this stage, is that I've successfully created my profile. My profile is live and active on the system. I've set up with Stripe, which means I can receive as many funds as is needed, and those funds will go directly to my bank account. And I have all the information I need to play an active role on the marketplace. So this video has shown you how to create and be fully onboarded on your new Freelancer profile.